people think you have to shade with black, and that's not the way the Impressionist shaded. The Impressionist shaded from yellow to violet. And you either go this way toward violet and you get your green tones, or you go this way toward violet and you get your red tones. It's very important that the yellow and the violet do not mix unless you want a grayish tone, and that's not a valid choice. But today we're going to do this tulip, and we're going to go from yellow to violet, and right in here we will not let the yellow carry into the violet. We'll stop any orange, no oranges will pass this point. So what we'll do, and I'm just going to give a little short demonstration playing like that I had this drawn. Okay, let's say we have, this is going to be our tulip. The light's coming from here, it hits right here, and it's going to hit right here, because everything that rounds out is going to catch light. So we're going to put, although it's a red flower, there is light there. Now eventually what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover that with orange, because it's not a red tulip. It's not an orange tulip, it's a red tulip. So what we're going to do, what we have to do, the darkest color, and we don't do this normally, but the darkest color is this, and the darkest color is in this crevice right here between these two petals. And it's red, but it's violet red. Now then, so we have our two extremes. So gradually what you're going to do is you're going to shade down toward that, never letting, this carmine red has some purple in it. So, or at least it's a neutral enough color that it's not going to make a terrible mess. So that's what you're going to do. But you can gradually pick up these oranges going into that, but you don't want your oranges going into the purple, because the purple is purple and orange has yellow in it. So y'all get that? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go.